Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can easily add a WhatsApp live chat button to your WordPress website without any coding. So right now I am on my website dashboard. To enable that option, firstly I need to install a plugin. So I am going to plugin section. After that I am clicking on add new plugin and search here with join chat. This is the plugin. So install now, activate. So this plugin installed perfectly. Now come to the settings. After clicking the settings, you will get this interface. Then click on OK, let's start. After that, they will ask your phone number. So I am giving my phone number and click on done. Let's continue. After, they are looking for a automated message, something like when user will come your website and this WhatsApp chat button will pop up and it will show this message. So right now I don't want to put any message. I will show you step by step in live what I am doing and what change it's making. So I am clicking I don't want a message. After that, they are asking for call to action. So I don't want CTA also right now. I will show it on live. Now this option saying if you want to receive any email from Joinchat or any tips to improve the conversion with Joinchat, and if you wish you can give your email address, and after that accept terms and condition. And if you don't want any email, then no need to give any email address or no need to click, just no thanks. And now go to join chat settings. So firstly, if I come to the join chat settings, then you see first option is phone number, which one I already gave. So if you wish, you can click on test number, then it will redirect to your WhatsApp on a browser. Then you can send a message from there. After that, message. Here you can set the first message the user will send to you. If you wish, you can set it here. And click the right side, this preview option. So you will see what change I am making and what's happening this button. So if I write here, hello, I need more info. Now, if I click on here, it's going to open WhatsApp in web and you see here this text is displaying, hello, I need more info. So this will be the first message. If user click on continue to chat or use this option open WhatsApp, they will send this as first message. After that, image. So by default they gave that image, but if you wish you can select any custom image by clicking here. Then you can upload your image on your media library. After that you can select that image and it will show here. So next option is tooltip. I am writing here, hello, need help So after writing this tooltip, if I hover on that button, you see it's saying, hello, need help? So whatever you will write here, that will appear on here when user will hover this WhatsApp button. After that, position on screen. So what position you want to display your button? Left position or the right position? So right position is actually perfect, I think. So I am not changing it, but if you wish, you can make it left also. Button delay. That means when a user will visit your website, after how many seconds this button will display. So by default, they set it 3 seconds, and I think it's standard. But again, if you wish, you can customize this time also. Now come to the next option is mobile only. So if you wish, you can make this button only display the button on mobile device. But I don't want this. I want to display this button mobile desktop anywhere. Okay, so I am not giving stick. And on desktop, first option is display QR code to scan with phone. When I am hovering it, it's not showing any QR code right now. But if I select this option, you see, it's showing a QR code. If user want to use with their mobile phone, then just they can hover and they can scan from the mobile phone and it will redirect to WhatsApp. After that, open directly WhatsApp web. So if you click this option also, so both will work. So when you will hover, it will show the QR code, and when you will click here, it will redirect to WhatsApp web. So now both option enabled. After that, chat window. So if you define a call to action, you can write here, define a text to encourage user to contact by WhatsApp. So if I write here, hello, if I write hello, how may I help you? You see, right now its appearance already changed. Previously it was another types of appearance. After that, button text. Right now you see it's written open chat, but if you want to customize it like chat with us, you see it's already changed. Even theme color, right now this theme color is perfectly aligned with WhatsApp color, but if you want to make a align with your website brand color, then you can change. So just click here and make change here. You see it's changing. So by this way you can change the theme color also. Even you can include the color code, and that color code will be displayed here. After that, in the right side there has a text option. So if I click on black text, text will be black, and if I click on white text, text will be white. Dark mode, if you like to get the dark mode, then you can make yes, or you can select auto detect device dark mode. I mean, when user visit your website, that time if user device uses dark mode, then this chatting option will be also dark mode. So whatever you wish, you can select. After that, header. Right now it's showing powered by Joinchat. So if you want WhatsApp logo there, just select WhatsApp logo, then it will be WhatsApp logo. Or if you wish custom something like 24/7 live support, if you write, then it will display like this. If I come to below opt-in, there has legal text you are writing here and it will display, but I think it's not needed. After that, show automatically this option. If a call to action is defined, display chat window after 10 seconds and user has visited at least 2 pages. So if you want, you can enable this option. Let's come to the next option. There's the visibility. By default, it will display on all of the pages of your website, but if you wish, you can customize it from below option. For example, you are not looking to display your WhatsApp icon on your blog post, then you can disable it from here. If you select it, it will disable. Then WhatsApp live chat will not display on your blog post. So I want to display it on all of my pages. So I am not deselecting it. After that, come to the advanced option. So if you want to use custom CSS or anything, you can include it. So that's all. Already I described all of the feature step by step. So now I am going to give save change. After that, I want to open my website. Then let's see, is it working or not? You see, after 3 seconds, it's already displayed here. And if I hover the mouse, it's saying, hello, need help, which text already I given the backend. After a while, it's opening this chat and it's asking, hello, how may I help you? And here at the top, it's showing 24/7 live support. And here it's showing chat with us. So that's all. By following this tutorial, you can enable this WhatsApp live chat for your website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.